So here's how to convert an Excel sheet into Word document. It's very simple and easy thing to do. So let's get started. First of all, you need to open up the Word document like this. And then from here, you need to select the insert option on the above side. Then under the text section, you will see the object option. You need to select that. And then from here, you need to select the create from file. Now you need to tap on the browse option to find out the Excel file location. So let's just find out together. So here is my Excel file. So I want to select that and now tap on insert and then simply press on OK to insert the file. So here you go. So this is how to convert an Excel sheet into Word document. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works, and have a very good day.